Hello viewers and welcome back to the Healthy Organic Recipes channel. Many people are trying to lose weight and get healthy. Some fruits are high in fructose and natural sugar which can slow your weight loss. Eating too much fructose is linked to diabetes, gout, kidney stones, a fatty liver, obesity and leptin resistance. In nature, fruit should only be eaten seasonally. But because of imports and exports, we have access to them all year round. The good news is that there are many fruits low in fructose and sugar. These can be eaten in small amounts on a low carb or ketogenic diet. Let's take a look at the fruits lowest in sugar. 1. Lemons, one of the healthiest fruits in the world for weight loss. Lemons help to purify and detoxify your body whilst burning fat. One regular lemon contains only 1.5 grams of sugar. 2. Limes, containing only 1.1 grams of sugar per fruit. Limes are a tasty ingredient which can be infused into water to make a weight loss drink. 3. Raspberries. Berries are acceptable on a low-carb diet as they have a high amount of fiber. 1/2 cup of raspberries contains 1.5 grams of sugar. 4. Avocado, well known as one of the healthiest fruits in the world. One avocado contains 1.3 grams of sugar. Avocados supply healthy natural fats and high amounts of potassium. 5. Tomato. Tomatoes are used in cooking delicious healthy meals all over the world. 1/2 cup of chopped tomatoes contains 4 grams of sugar. It also has 2 grams of fiber which helps the body to process the sugar. 6. Grapefruit. Used heavily on the Atkins diet, grapefruit supplies enzymes which helps you to lose weight and break down food. 1/2 grapefruit contains 8 grams of sugar, so be careful to not overdo this. 7. Blackberries. An excellent source of vitamin C and K, blackberries reduce inflammation throughout the body. They contain 3.5 grams of sugar in 1/2 cup. 8. Blueberries. One of the richest sources of antioxidants in nature. Blueberries contain 7.5 grams in 1/2 cup, but also have 3.8 grams of dietary fiber. 9. Coconut. 1 cup of shredded coconut contains 5 grams of natural sugars. Coconuts supply healthy MCTs which boosts energy levels throughout the body and cure brain fog. 10. Gooseberries. These contain 8 grams of sugar in 1/2 cup. Use these wisely and keep within your daily limit of sugar and carbohydrates. As you can see, there are many fruits that you can enjoy whilst following a weight loss plan. Be sure to keep any fruit to a minimum when trying to lose weight, reverse diabetes or insulin resistance. A low-carb diet usually aims for less than 20 grams of carbohydrates per day. These sugars are to be counted as carbs. To learn more about nutritious foods and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for watching. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.